Hello. So as you can see, my subject is not really neuroscience yet, but I think it could be interest of you because it's biochemistry, basically. So the main question that fueled everything is how did we get here? The pattern that RNA has is very specific. It's a very structured compound, if you want, and very organized. And it's weird that everyone has a very classified way to see it, even though it's been made on its own. It's self-assembled because nobody touched it. So the main reasons why we started this research in the Dr. Pauner group was because there was a meteorite that fell in Australia, and it was found a piece of RNA identical to ours. And of course, this means that in the outer space, it had to self-assemble itself in a way that we cannot really understand yet. And it has to be a chemical way, because there is nothing else there. And the second anecdote that pushed forward our research is that adenine and cytidine, there are the two, if you want, two of the main compounds of our 4 nucleotides, are the two most widely compounds found in nature. So it will be interesting to understand how everything came together and self-assembled. So how did we approach this research? Well, mainly we started to understand that nucleotides have all the same structure, and they have some requisites. The fact that they self-assembled in the outer space, it means that they all started from very small molecules, and it means that they don't need catalyst and they don't need help. So we tried to synthesize everything in probiotic conditions, which is very mild and in water, basically. The challenge for us, well, for me specifically, because I was working in pure nucleosides, but for a group that it's trying to synthesize all the part of the nucleosides, it was to find a way to self-assemble everything. And we approached it as a puzzle. We started from a piece, sugar, and we tried to build around all the rest, trying to make everything fit. And what is it for you? Well, basically, it's the pharmacological application that you're going to see. And if you want to know more, I'm poster 19. Thank you.